Casper Show and Tell. Hi guys, today we're opening a kind of slime today. Let's see what is inside. Now, you put this inside and then you mix it and then you put it inside and put this inside and then this. Then you stir it and then put this and then put glue and then oh yeah. Poke. Where's the piece? Oh, inside. Punched up. Look. Now I pour this.
Not yet.
Why?
You need to wait. Keep stirring.
Why? It will be done.
Very good. Keep stirring.
I'm stirring it very fast. Now I put the food coloring. Food color. I cannot touch. Now I put more. Look at this. Look, it's so sticky. Look, now it's more sticky. Look, the food coloring is the last. The pop. Look, that's just sticky. Because it's too sticky. But we don't need the spoon. Can you stop?
Use your hand. Use your hand. You can use your hand.
Why?
Like this. Yeah. See? It's all the slime.
Ah, it's spilled. Look. Look, there's a mix left.
Can you take it up?
Look.
Yay! That's the slime.
Look.
Wow! See that?
No, my hand is too sticky.
It's gluey. Oh no! Oh no, Casper! It's all gluey! Not on my hand! Casper! Casper, not on my hand. What I'm gonna do now?
Let's try this one. The other one is so sticky. Again. A toy? I can't have a toy. Not for one. What? How we got this again? Pop first the toy. Oh, not the first the toy. Oh. Ooh, glitter. Be down. Well, that was so sticky.
We put water and glue. Is it sticky?
No, look. Look at this, Mommy. Look. It did the stick. That means we need to
Keep stirring.
splash on my pan. Now that I put the toy, that's the toy. And then,
Where's the glitter?
oh, it's under you.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
We put some glitter in there. Okay, stir.
Look. Look how I stir. Very fast. Oh, here's powder. Oh, no more. It's powder. I'm stirring it very fast. Look, we don't have no more this glitter. Look,
That's okay.
because the malt into milk. Look, it this transformed into milk.
We have the cornstarch solution and the glue solution. So pour and use this one and mix. Slowly there. Oh, there. No. No, wait, hold on. Use your hand.
Now try to turn.
No.
Yeah. It didn't work. It's soft. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. See you next time.